This is year 3 of Splash of the Arts. We have had wonderful partnerships with Hampton City Schools and the Hampton History Museum for us to be able to bring these to Hampton communities and their schools and the districts and the students for 3 years. So it's been wonderful. Each year we have programming from our wonderful roster of performing and teaching artists.
Tend to go to this event pretty regularly every summer. They do such a great job. The city of Hampton does such a great job with making sure they influence with the different cultures, especially it happening at Hampton History Museum. And the puppet show was great. There was a lot of live music, the puppets were great, and the kids had a great time.
Arts for Learning has been coming into our schools for the last few years, and so we've seen lots of different performers. I've had, at Barron, we've had a storyteller. This year we had 2 storytellers that were on tour that aren't even from the area, and all kinds of different things. So we have some of those familiar acts here this weekend.
So I get to share a piece of my culture. I grew up doing a lot of Filipino dances. My parents immigrated from the Philippines in the late 70s and early 80s, and ever since I was about 2 years old, they would teach me these dances. And one of these dances is called Itik Itik, which translates to the dance of the duck. And it's very easy to do, very easy to teach, and it's a way to bring the community together.
We like to have cultures, we have to have music, we like to have dance, drama, theater, and the programming is from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. every Saturday. Each Saturday is something different. Come out, enjoy. We can't wait to see you on July 20th and July 27th.